What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another exciting tech video for you guys. And ever since I transitioned my personal channel here to more general tech and smart home tech in particular, I've been on a mission to automate my entire house. I'm talking about smart lights, smart blinds, smart locks, robotic mowers. I've tried everything and you guys have seen my journey here on the channel. But one thing that I've really struggled with along this journey is that the hardest thing to get right is floor cleaning. When it comes to robotic vacuums and mops, they're very good at what they do, which is schedule runs, kind of mapping out your house, but they can't get those combo messes that you usually need to clean up manually yourself. I'm talking about someone spills cereal with milk, one of your kids, or the dog tracks some mud through the house. Any of those type of scenarios, I always find myself on my hands and knees cleaning it up manually, and I really would love to avoid that. So when I was at CES earlier this year and I walked by the xLean booth, it stopped me in my tracks because what I saw was a product that lets you get the best of the robotic mop / vacuum world combined with the ability to convert that to a manual cleaner if and when you need it. And today we're taking a look at the xLean TR1. Here's the thing that most robot vacuum companies won't tell you. As much as I do love the robot vacuum category, it's only made for scheduled cleaning, which means you set a schedule and it runs every few hours or whenever you tell it to, and it will pick up your dust, your pet hair, your basic debris. However, for a lot of life's messes, they don't fit into any of those categories. Like I said before, if you've got kids, the bot isn't really handled to schedule those impromptu cleans. And it's very bothersome because in a house with kids or pets or both, this can happen 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day. It's honestly the most common type of cleaning, and it's exactly the type that those bots are not meant to handle. If you think about what most people do to handle this problem, they end up getting 2 devices. They go out and buy a flagship cleaning bot vacuum that's going to run you $1,200 to $1,500, and then they go and get a handheld manual kind of wet dry vac, which is going to be around $300 for a quality solution. So you're paying $1,500 to $1,800 so that you have the ability to have maintenance cleans from the bot, and then you're doing the actual harder manual work all those times throughout the day. That's really not a great solution because not only do you have the extra price, you also have to maintain both of those, and it also takes up extra space in your house. And that's exactly where the xLean TR1 comes into play, because it combines both of those devices into one. The concept of the TR1 is so straightforward that it's actually insane that no other company has thought of this yet. In its robot form, it's everything you would expect from a premium floor cleaning bot. It's going to go about there and clean up all of your everyday messes and maintain them with no problem. It maps, it picks up that regular dirt and debris and washes your floors and does it in a fantastic way, and it's incredibly thorough in robot form. But here's where things get really interesting. When something unexpected happens, like a spill, one of those messes that I talked about, whatever life throws at your floor, you walk over to the robot and in literally 1 second, you pull the handle up and it transforms into a handheld floor washer in a single second. There's an electronic latch that locks the handle into place and you're good to go. You've got no other device to maintain. You don't have to worry about charging another device. It's all in one and you can start cleaning up that mess on the spot. This is the part that grabbed my attention when I saw it at CES. The transformation is genuinely quick. Like you pull up on the handle, it clicks into place and you're good to go. Doesn't feel like a gimmick. The handle locks in with that solid electronic latch and the handheld unit has omnidirectional power assist from a direct drive motor. You're not muscling it around, it's gliding across the floor. xLean says it's designed to be intuitive enough for anyone from kids to seniors, and from what I can see, the ergonomics look thought through. And here's what I really like. Instead of spending $1,500 to $1,800 on 2 separate devices, now you've got everything in one package. The super early bird price on Kickstarter starts at $9.99, and those spots are going to go incredibly fast, so I'll have the link in the pinned comment and description so you guys can take advantage of today if you're interested. That's a single device, 1 charging station. It doesn't take up any additional space in your house. And for families who would buy both a robot mop vacuum combo and then a wet dry vac that's a handheld, this makes a lot of sense and saves you a lot of money. In addition, when you're done using it, With the handle, all you've got to do is latch it back down, and then it goes right back on the Omni base station and right back into robot mode, taking care of that everyday cleaning maintenance around your house. All right, so obviously dual form is an amazing concept, and I love that, but if it couldn't clean, then it wouldn't really be very useful because that's the primary purpose. So let's talk about what's on offer in terms of cleaning power. The TR1 uses what they call dual motor direct suction combined with vortex matrix separation, 17,000 pascals of suction power, which is incredibly impressive, and that suction is running through a dual roller system. You've got two rollers, each one is 10.23 inches wide, spinning at 400 RPMs. And here's the key thing, they work in sequence. The front roller and the rear roller each take a pass at the same patch of floor, one right after the other, so you're getting cumulative cleaning effect. 2 cleaning passes happening on every spot the robot rolls over. Add to that a 32 nozzle freshwater spray system that's 16 nozzles per roller, continuously dispensing clean water while the rollers work. So instead of just dragging around dirty water like some robot mops do, this is continuously spraying fresh water down as it's also sucking up the dirty water, which is an amazing concept. It's also insane that no one else has really thought of this. Having 32 nozzles there dispensing that fresh water is a real game changer. And here's the claim that matters most to me. xLean says that the TR1 is the only cleaning robot that can handle the wet and dry messes combo that I was talking about earlier, like cereal with milk or liquids getting spilt with other snacks. Happens all the time with kids. Other bots tend to just drag that mess around the floor and it'll leave traces of whatever the dry debris was smeared with some of the liquid. This is also what xLean calls real-time freshwater cleaning, which is designed to eliminate something they call secondary pollution. This is the problem I just talked about where the robots redistribute dirty water across your floor instead of actually removing it. With freshwater spraying continuously and dirty water being sucked up at the same time, you're not just wiping the mess around, you're actually washing it out. It's also worth noting that the xLean TR1 handles all types of hard floors, hardwood, laminate, tile, marble. It does not handle carpet right now, but it has intelligent carpet recognition, so you don't have to worry about smearing anything across your area rug. After the TR1 finishes cleaning, it heads back to the Omni base station, and this is where the minimal maintenance thing really happens, and that's something that I love with any cleaning device because maintenance can be the hardest part. First, the station automatically flushes the entire cleaning system with 167°F hot water. That's hot enough to break down grease, dissolve grime, and eliminate bacteria from the rollers, the water tank, and the internal waste pipes. It's a genuine deep clean for the cleaning system itself. Then it does something clever with the waste. It automatically separates solids from liquids. The solid debris goes into a dry waste bin, and the dirty water collects in a separate transparent tank. And I have to say, the transparent tank is a nice touch. You can see exactly how dirty the water is after each cycle, which is actually pretty satisfying. It is something cool to look at and something you don't see with a lot of other cleaning bots on the market. The main thing is, it definitely gives you confidence the machine is actually doing its job. After the wash cycle, the station finishes with 149° hot air drying. This is important because it prevents the rollers from developing mold or that musty wet dog smell that cheaper robot mops are notorious for. Hot wash plus hot air dry keeps the entire system hygienic so that you don't have to worry about manual maintenance. The base station is also completely bagless, no dust bags to buy or replace. You just empty the dry waste bin when it's full. xLean estimates that saves you about $120 over 3 years compared to bag-based robot systems. 30 dust bags that you never have to buy. And for the real convenience junkies out there, the Omni base station connects directly to your home's water supply, so it can actually refill the fresh water and it can actually drain the dirty water, which means you are literally doing nothing. How awesome is that? Next, let's talk about the brain of the xLean TR1, and if you are a tech nerd, this is going to be interesting because this is one of the coolest uses of AI that I've seen in a cleaning bot in quite some time. Most cleaning bots work on fixed programming. They have set rules for a limited number of scenarios, and they follow those rules every single time. The result's a robot that kind of works in most situations, but doesn't really adapt. And that's why robot vacuum intelligence has felt stuck for years. xLean took a completely different approach. The TR1 is built on reinforcement learning, the same type of AI training you see in autonomous driving and advanced robotics. It starts with a foundational level of intelligence out of the box, but here's the key part. It gets smarter the more that you use it. This is where the design, that dual form design, connects to AI in an interesting way. The more that you utilize it manually using the handle, the AI is learning how you clean. So you're cleaning something a certain way, or you're going around a curve a certain way. It figures out your pacing, how you like to clean, and it actually learns so that it does a better job when it's in robot mode. I found this incredibly interesting. This is something called reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is RLHF for short. It takes your human intuition and converts it into algorithmic intelligence that it uses in autonomous mode. Over time, it develops more human-like obstacle avoidance, smarter path planning, and better stuck recovery. It also uses its built-in dirt sensor to figure out exactly what it's cleaning and get better at this over time. When it detects a heavier mess, it ramps up the intensity. If it's light dust, it takes a quick pass and moves on. The company says this makes the cleaning about 50% faster overall because the robot isn't wasting energy doing deep cleanings on areas that don't need it. And the hardware backing all of this up is pretty impressive for a floor cleaning robot. You've got 360-degree LiDAR that captures over 5,000 data points per second, an RGB D-depth camera with over 44,000 3D sensing points for real-time obstacle recognition, and powering all of it is an autonomous driving-grade AI chip. That's the kind of perception stack you'd expect in a self-driving car, not in a floor cleaner. I also want to mention the privacy angle in this section because since you do have that camera on board, some people are going to be worried about that, but there is a physical camera cover that you can physically slide over the camera, so you don't have to worry about privacy here with the TR1. They've got you covered. This is not software level, it's at a hardware level. You can physically cover the camera, which is always a big peace of mind. Before we wrap up, I do want to go through a few design details that really do matter. They're small touches, but things that make a big difference on the TR1. The first is the square body. Most robot vacuums are round, which means there are going to be a blind spot in the corners of every room. The curve of the robot just physically can't reach into a 90-degree corner. The TR1 square shape lets it get right up against wall edges and into corners where round robots leave debris behind. This is one of those design choices that may seem small until you actually use it, but most bots are round and then they can't get into the corners of any of your rooms. This is going to make sure that you get full coverage in all the rooms of your house, right up to the corners and edges. The second thing worth mentioning here in terms of design is the wireless remote controller, and that sounds like a small thing as well, but honestly, it's really kind of fun, so let's spend a moment talking about this. Picture this, you spot a mess across the room, maybe the dog tracked something in or one of your kids dropped a snack on the rug. Instead of getting up, you just grab the remote and steer the TR1 right to it. It's fast, responsive, and I'm not gonna lie, it's actually kind of fun. It turns floor cleaning into a bit of a video game moment. So here's the bottom line. If you've been going back and forth between buying a robot cleaner and then a handheld wet dry vacuum, you don't have to choose because the xLean TR1 is both, and it handles both sides of that equation incredibly well. You get one device, one charging station, one maintenance routine. It handles the scheduled daily cleaning in robot form and those emergency gotta clean it now messes in handheld form. It washes with fresh water through the dual roller system, and it cleans up after itself with hot water and hot air, so you don't have to. And like I said, the AI behind this is incredibly interesting because it does that reinforcement learning to learn from the times that you are cleaning in manual mode, and then the robot mode is actually taking that information, parsing it, and use it when it's in robot mode. I find that awesome. Absolutely love that use of AI. The xLean TR1 is live right now on Kickstarter. If you want to grab one at the super early bird price, I'll have the link right here and in the description below. Go check it out before the early bird pricing ends. And honestly, compared to buying a robot vacuum and wet dry vac separately for $1,500 plus, the math speaks for itself. I'll have the Kickstarter link and the xLean website both in the pinned comment description if you guys want to lock in. Also curious to hear any horror stories you guys have had cleaning up wet dry messes if you ever tried it with a bot, because most of them are not the best at it. Really do love the xLean TR1. Can't wait to have a review in it in my house to check out. It was really fun to see at CES, and I think they're going to do big things. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this product and the time that I've had to see it and kind of test out the various features when I was at the show. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.